Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Hashim Ali Khan here. We are doing the problems on bank reconciliation statement. Almost 10 main problems we have completed. Now I'm going to start the 11th problem. So if you are first time watching the video, I suggest you to go to the introduction of BRS, have a good grasp on the topic of BRS. Then starting initial videos, I have given the short problems on BRS, then 10 long problems we have done. Now I'm going to start the 11th problem. So if you are new to my channel, visit the playlist to get a number of subjects videos. Now I'm going to start the next problem, but before that you must have a hard copy of the problems which are provided in the link under my description. So take the printout, keep it ready before watching the problems. Now I am reading out the problem number 11. See carefully. On 13th October 2013, a merchant has an overdraft of 5,000 rupees as shown by the bank column of the cash book. So a merchant has seen that his cash book is showing an overdraft balance of rupees 5,000 when on 31st October 2013. So what I have prepared here is BRS as on 31st October 2013, overdraft as per cash book. Specifically given in the problem, the cash book shows an overdraft of rupees 5,000 on 31st October 2013. Right? Now what are the discrepancies? Now I am reading out. First one. It is however discovered that a check of rupees 500 deposited into the bank uncredited in the passbook up to this date. A check of rupees 500 deposited into the bank. So before depositing the check in the bank, we record it in our cash book. The cash book overdraft will come down. Before depositing the check in the bank, we have recorded in the cash book. So we are having overdraft. The overdraft balance will come down in the cash book, whereas passbook still it is showing more overdraft because the check is not collected by the bank. The banker has not yet credited the passbook. So that's why passbook OD still more. Our starting point is cash book. Cash book is showing less, so we have to add. What we have to do? We have to add. What is the value of the check? 500 rupees. The value of the check is 500 rupees. So add 500. Now addition, here I am writing check deposited but not collected by bank, 500. Come on, first discrepancy we have noted. A check was deposited, recorded in cash book but not recorded in passbook. Second, so also checks of rupees 1,350 are yet unpaid. So also checks of rupees 1,350 are yet unpaid. Unpaid means the checks are not presented for payment. So we have issued the checks. When we issue the check, we record in the cash book. As soon as we issue the check, we record in the cash book. So cash book overdraft will increase. When we issue the check, cash book overdraft will increase. Passbook overdraft still will show low balance because the checks are not yet presented for payment. Our starting point is cash book. Cash book is showing more balance. So what we have to do is less. How much is the amount? 1,350. 1,350 less. So deduction items. Check issued but not presented for payment. That is 1,350. That's all. So two discrepancies we have noted. Now next one is further the passbook is debited. Further the passbook is debited with 10 rupees for bank charges, 50 rupees for interest on overdraft and 250 rupees for insurance premium as per merchant's instructions. The banker has debited the passbook with three amounts. The three amounts are bank charges 10 rupees, 50 rupees interest on overdraft and 250 rupees for insurance premium. These three are the debits found in the passbook. When passbook is debited, the overdraft of passbook will increase. So passbook overdraft will increase. Cash book overdraft still shows low balance because it is not recorded in the cash book. It is recorded only in the passbook. Our starting point is cash book. Cash book is showing less amount, so we have to add. We have to add all the three amounts. What are the three amounts? 10 rupees, 50 rupees, 250 rupees. 10 rupees are the bank charges, 50 rupees are the interest on overdraft, and 250 rupees are the insurance premium. These are the three debits found only in the passbook. So we have to add. In addition terms, debit in passbook. Debit in passbook only. Bank charges 10 rupees. Then interest on overdraft 50 rupees. Insurance premium 250 rupees. That's all. Three debits we have found in the passbook. Next, credited in a passbook is credited with 2000 rupees directly deposited by a customer of the merchant. We have found 2000 rupees credit in the passbook. What is this credit? A customer has directly deposited in the bank. So when the passbook is credited, the overdraft will come down. This is exactly opposite to the previous one. Here passbook was debited, so passbook overdraft has increased. Now passbook is credited, the overdraft as per passbook will come down. Last item is fourth one. So when a customer directly deposits in the bank, passbook overdraft will come down. Cash book overdraft still shows more balance because we have not recorded in the cash book. Our starting point is cash book only. Cash book is showing more balance. So what we have to do? Deduct less. How much deduct? 2000. So less. In less items I am writing amount deposited by customer. Amount deposited by customer in bank directly. 2000. That's all. Over. All the items are over. Now we have to find out the balance as per passbook. So here we add up the addition items. Addition items are 500 plus 10 plus 50 plus 250. It comes to 810. So I'm taking in the outer column 810. 5000 plus 810. 5810. Now subtract items are 3350. Now you subtract 5810. 5810 minus 3350. 2460. This 2460 is the overdraft as per passbook. We have started with cash book overdraft and ultimately we have found the overdraft as per passbook. That's all. This is the 11th problem. Now I am reading out the 12th problem. See the 12th problem carefully. Here we are coming across a new point. Carefully you listen. Because these BRS problems are more logical. Each and every point will be a peculiar point. You have to think over that. Which balance is increasing, which book balance is decreasing, like that. So understanding the problem is half solved. So give concentration on understanding the problem. On 31st March 2013, a trader compared his passbook with his cash book and found all items agreed except the following. Normally, in order to prepare the BRS, we compare the transactions in the cash book and transaction of the passbook. If the transactions are found in both the books, we ignore it. If transactions are there only in any one of the book, either in the cash book or in the passbook, we select those transactions. Because on account of those transactions only, the balance as per cash book and balance as per passbook will be different. Right? So what are the discrepancies? A, B, C, D. 4 discrepancies are given. Last paragraph you see, the trader's cash book shows a bank overdraft of rupees 4,397.5. The cash book shows overdraft. So our starting point is overdraft balance as per cash book, that is 4,397.50 on 31st March 2013. Prepare a bank reconciliation statement showing the balance as per passbook. Cash book overdraft is given. Overdraft balance as per cash book is given. We have to find out what is the balance as per passbook after considering those discrepancies. Now, first of all, I am starting with overdraft balance as per cash book 4,397.5. This is given in the problem. Now, one by one discrepancy we'll consider. The first discrepancy is checks drawn and entered in the cash book totaling 6,345 has not been presented for payment at the bank. Checks drawn means checks issued. We have issued the checks to the supplier, to the parties. But those checks what we have issued are not presented for payment with the bank. When we issue the check, we record in the cash book. As soon as we issue the check, we record it in the cash book. So cash book overdraft, already we are having overdraft balance. So when we issue the checks, overdraft will increase. Cash book overdraft will increase. Passbook overdraft still is showing low balance because the checks are not presented for payment. Now that is our starting point, cash book. So cash book is showing more balance, so we have to deduct. Cash book is showing more balance, so we have to deduct. How much? 6,345. That's all. 6,345 deduct less. So here I am writing checks issued but not presented for payment. How much? 6,345. Come on. First discrepancy we have taken, we have resolved. Second, an outstation check for rupees 350 deposited in the bank on 30th March does not appear in the passbook. We have received an outstation check and deposited the check in the banker on 30th March. But the banker has not yet collected the amount. So before depositing the check in the bank, we record in the cash book. So cash book overdraft will decrease. We have received a check from the customer. As soon as we receive, we record in the cash book OD will come down. But passbook OD still it is showing more balance because the check is not collected by the banker. Passbook OD more. Passbook OD more. Our starting point is cash book. It is showing less. So we have to add. We have to add how much? 350. We have to add 350. Check deposited but not collected by bank. It is 350. That's all. So two items we have considered. Now third item. The passbook showed 142 as interest and overdraft which is not entered in the cash book. When we open the passbook, it is showing 142 rupees interest on overdraft. By charging interest on overdraft in the passbook OD will further increase. Already we have to pay some amount, overdraft is there. On that overdraft, banker is charging interest. So our OD as per passbook will increase. Passbook overdraft will show more. Cash book overdraft will show less. Right? So our starting point is cash book. So cash book is showing less. So we have to add 142 rupees we add. Interest on overdraft debited in passbook only. That is 142. That's all. So see, 3 points we have completed. The last and final point. The trader has discounted with bank in March a bill of exchange for 2,400 and had entered this amount in his cash book. But the proceeds credited in the passbook as shown by the passbook amounted to 2,387.40. Now, listen carefully. This is a critical point. 2,400 is a bill of exchange which the banker has discounted in the month of March. The value of the bill is 2,400. The banker, the customer, the person has discounted this bill with the banker. The amount received, proceeds are received and credited in the passbook. Credited in the passbook. But by mistake, 2,400 full face value of the bill of exchange is taken in cash book. So our cash book OD has decreased by 2,400. Suppose I am the customer, I received a bill of exchange, I have discounted this bill of exchange with my banker. The banker has credited my amount of the bill in my account. So I have immediately recorded in the cash book 2,400. ये समझा के 2,400 रुपए बिल के पैसे आ गए, मेरा ओवरड्राफ्ट कम हो गया 2,400, 2,400, वेयर इन द कैश बुक. लेकिन पासबुक खोलकर देखेंगे तो पासबुक में जो बिल के पैसे आए वो 2,400 नहीं आए. पासबुक में द प्रोसीड्स ऑफ द बिल क्रेडिटेड वाज ओनली 2,387.40. So different amounts are there. In cash book 2,400, in passbook 2,387.4. So difference is 12.6. 2,400 minus 2,387.40. So the difference come to 12.60. 12.60 is the difference between these two amounts. So this transaction is appearing in the cash book and also this transaction is appearing in the passbook. But the difference is the amounts are not same. The amount is 2,400 in cash book and 2,387.4 in the passbook. So difference how much we are getting? 12 rupees 60 paisa, 12.60. So the difference is 12.60. The passbook overdraft will show more. The passbook overdraft will show more amount by 12.6. Passbook overdraft will show more by 12.60. Whereas cash book overdraft will show less overdraft by 12.60. Cash book में overdraft 12 रुपये 60 पैसे से कम बताएगा. Because we have taken more amount. We have taken more amount in cash book. Cash book में 2,400 ले लिए. Whereas passbook में जो कम हुआ 2,387.4. So our passbook overdraft will show more overdraft by 12 rupees 60 paisa. Whereas cash book overdraft is showing less OD by 12 rupees 60 paisa. Our starting point is cash book. Cash book is showing less. So we have to add 12.60. We have to add 12.60 in the cash book balance. ये cash book balance में third item. Bill discounted taken in passbook 2,387.40, whereas in cash book it is taken as 2,400. The difference is 12.60. 12.60. So 12.60 I am taking in the outer column. So less items only 1, 3, 6, 3, 4, 5. Now add items. How much are the add items? I will see. 350 plus 142 plus 12.60. It comes to 504.6. 504.60. Now you add up 4397.50 plus 504.60. 4397.50 plus 504.60. That comes to 4902.10. From this we subtract minus 6345. It comes to 1442.9. 1442.90. Now I'm getting minus 1442.90. देखिए, after adding the items, we are getting 4902.1. From 4902.1 minus 6345, you are getting negative value minus 1442.9. Negative means opposite. Opposite. So which opposite? Whatever is the opening balance we are having, starting point we have taken. In the starting point, what we have taken? Overdraft. So what is the opposite of overdraft? Favorable balance. The opposite of overdraft is favorable balance. So we are having starting point overdraft, but passbook is showing favorable balance. So favorable balance as per passbook is 1442.9. अगर पॉजिटिव नहीं आता, नेगेटिव नहीं आता या पॉजिटिव अगर आता, तो then we would have written overdraft as per passbook. If same sign positive it comes, same balance, overdraft beginning, overdraft ending. If we are getting negative closing balance, we make it opposite. Overdraft was the starting point, ending point will be favorable balance. So this is the first time we are coming across a situation where cash book is showing overdraft, whereas passbook is showing favorable balance. Passbook is showing favorable balance. So this will happen when we are getting negative figure. When we get the negative figure. So this is the end of problem number 12. So totally 12 problems we have completed on main problems on BRS. So if you are satisfied with my lecture, give a like to every video. Share it in your group, in your friends, and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. And please give your precious comments. I value your comments. We'll continue in the next video.